Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Summer and I have a really cool video to be sharing with you guys today. Today I am going to be showing you a design project that has been in the works for a little while for my clients Randy and Noelle. You may have seen where I made over their kids' playroom / loft area. If you didn't get a chance to check that out, go check it out up here because it's a really cute video too. But today is the entryway makeover. An entryway is like so important because it's the first thing that people see when they enter your home. And we made this whole space over and it was so exciting. I also had the opportunity to work with one of my really close buddies from back home, Mike. He was able to help me execute this entire design project and I really wouldn't have been able to do it without him. I hope that you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and help out your girl please, and subscribe to my channel to help me continue to grow this side of my business as well. I appreciate it so much, and stay tuned for more awesome, fun, and interior design videos just like this one. Let's cruise over to Hermosa and check out the beach. It has been the most beautiful beach weather ever here in Hermosa. It's feeling like summertime and I can't wait to dip into the Pacific. When I first saw this entryway, I noticed that everything was kind of pushed into this one corner right when you entered the door, and then they had this long hallway that was pretty empty. I wanted to give this place a little bit of life, some personality. I wanted it to be elegant, so I didn't want to go too crazy with the colors. The clients also had some existing artwork and some other pieces we wanted to incorporate into the space. I sketched out my design ideas for Noelle and Randy's entryway. I knew immediately that I wanted to create a shiplap wall. It just gives that feeling of the beach and that coastal vibe, and it looks so rich and luxe in the space. I also wanted to maximize the full use of this long hallway and keep their existing items, but really just add to the space. Another exciting part about this project was I got to work with my close friend Mike, who is doing some handyman work right now. He helped me build this amazing shiplap wall. We went to high school together, so it's really fun to be working on something together. I'm here looking for some wood to do our shiplap wall, so we're picking some stuff up. We picked out 12 feet long pre-primed shiplap wood for this project. Mike has measured and is now pre-cutting all of our shiplap boards to ensure they fit perfectly on our wall. Creating a shiplap wall on your own can be a little tricky. If you want extra help on how to do this, you can check out one of my previous videos linked up above. I wanted to give this space a little pop of color and not overboard with all the color, so I decided to paint the front door this really pretty smoky kind of a green color, and I think it just really complements their previous artwork that they had in there and kind of those beachy vibes. Another little tip for you is I like to use painter's tape to measure out the length and width of my furniture items and put it on the floor or on the wall to get a real clear visual of how the space will work. Fun little fact is my client Randy, this is his home, is running for the City of Hermosa Beach council member. And if you know him, he's awesome, he's amazing, he cares about the city, so vote for Randy. But it's so cool to drive by all of Hermosa and see his signs all over and be like, hey, oh my gosh, that's my client, how cool. Vote for Randy.